Placing hands on your low belly, close your eyes and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now working with a 3-part breath. Inhale, gently expand the low belly into your hands. Draw the air into the rib cage and then the upper chest. Exhale from the upper chest to the ribs, back down into the low belly. Again like that, breathing all the way to the top of the lungs. Exhale, fully let it go. Bring hands to the rib cage. Inhale, expand low belly, ribs flare, heart lifts. Exhale, softly, smoothly, let it go. Inhaling all the way to the top of the lungs. Exhale, soften and release. Inhaling once more, all the way to the top. Exhale. Hands on collarbones. Inhale, all the way to the top of the lungs. Exhale, all the way back down into the low belly. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3. Exhale for 3, 2, 1. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Placing hands on your knees or thighs. Continue with this 3-part breath, either using a count or a mantra, helping to steady the mind. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3. Breathing out for 3, 2, 1. I am breathing in. I am breathing in. I'm full. I am breathing out. I am breathing out. I'm empty. Continue this 3-part breath and begin to notice the inner sensations as you calm and soothe your nervous system. Practicing this mindful breathing, we bring ourselves into the present moment. We help to steady the mind and calm the body. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. Placing palms together. Namaste.